Hi! In front of me is ASUS Zenfone 10 and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and tapping on Apps and Notifications right away. Then scroll down. Click on App Notifications under Notification Manager. Select Most Recent and click on the best option for you, like All Apps. Finally, just tap on the switcher next to an app from which you want to block notifications. You can turn them back on the same way. You can also just click on one of your apps located on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!